In this video, we will know that how to fix black screen error. When you work on your Windows, sometime your Windows get black. Okay, same like that. And some Windows are accessible. How to fix this error, we will know that step by step in this video. So guys, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe the channel. Here you can find more video related to fix for Windows 10, Windows 11 and Windows 7. So let's start the video. So guys, press some keyword from your keyboard. Press Ctrl, Shift and Escape button. Okay, and after that guys, you can see here task manager get launched on your Windows. After that guys, click here file option and click here run and type here explore and .exe. Okay, and click here OK button. So guys, you can see here your problem get fixed here and your screen get visible. So guys, if you like this video, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching.